Hi Journalism 121, here's a quick video to let you know how to make a Google map. So first of all, you want to go to this address right here, and you need the D. For some reason, if you don't have the D, you're going to get just the regular maps, but you want to get into their My Maps. You can also get there by going mymaps.google.com, and then you'll see it'll flip to having the D at the end. So once you're there, you're going to want to click on Create a New Map. I'm going to click on one that I'm already working on. So you'll create a new map, you'll name it here. You can also give it a deck here or description, and you're going to do that for your own maps. And then you can start adding these markers. I've added markers for Foothill and for CCSF, but let's go ahead and take a look at what it would look like for Skyline College. And actually, if you already know that there is likely to be a listing on Google for the place that you're wanting to put in, for example, it's not your home that you were born in, but it's a place like Skyline College, then you can simply Google it. It'll show up this way, and then you're going to have to add to map. And then it's nice because it has all the information about it. You've got your title there, and then you're going to need to add a picture. So you can click on this, and you can actually do anything from taking a picture to yourself or find an image URL. You can go into your Google Drive or your photos that are already sort of, I don't know exactly what that's linking to, but there's a lot of different options here. Or you can simply upload. So I'm going to upload a picture that's not going to match Skyline, but just for the sake of this tutorial. And there it goes. And by the way, you can add more than one picture. So if there is, of course you want to save it. If you want to add another picture, you can. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. It's going to be a picture that has nothing to do with Skyline College. And then hit save. And by the way, you can come over here and you can delete these two. If you do this, it's going to delete the whole thing. But if you get in here at some point, I'm having a hard time making it work at this moment, but you will see a, maybe if I go on here, no, that's not going to work. You're going to see a garbage can icon over here, and then you can get rid of specific pictures. You'll have to fuss with that a little bit. So then you can come in here and you can either remove this if you want, or you can also add your own writing. So we can go ahead and hit edit. Oh, I guess there you go. Edit will allow you to get rid of one of the pictures or both if you want. Then you can come in here and say, whatever you want to say, and you are going to say some things here. Remember to use AP style and to use good grammar, correct grammar, and to also proofread. You're graded on all of that. And voila, you have everything there. Okay, so we can go over to Foothill, see what was there, and then we can go back to Skyline College and see that it has your information, the web information, the pictures, etc. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Now you're going to share it by going over here. You're going to have a shareable link, but you need to make sure that this is public and not private. So if I go over here, you want to make sure that it is not only available to specific people. For this particular personal map, you can do it as anyone with the link if you don't want to share it out to the world. But for your one that you're going to post on your blog, it definitely needs to be on this instead. Okay, that's it. And you're going to want to leave it as can view, not edit. Okay, there you go. Hope this helped.